Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we will check out the OpenBox Windows Manager session of Opensuse Leap 15.4. So let's start. So the OpenBox Windows Manager is now working. We are logged into the OpenBox Windows Manager. You will not see any wallpaper at the background. There is a dock available, so but it is not right now visible. So let us open this OpenBox configuration manager. So here in the first tab on the left, you can see the different themes that are available. Then you got the appearance tab where you can manage the appearance of the windows and the window titles and the fonts associated with the window titles and windows. Then you got the windows tab where you can manage the focusing windows, placement of the windows and the primary monitor. Then you got this move and resize tab where you can move and resize the windows. You can apply some dragging threshold distance, amount of resistance against windows, switching desktop, amount of time to wait before switching, information dialog position. Then you got this mouse tab to adjust the mouse functions and adjust it according to the focusing windows. Then you got this desktop tab where you can manage the desktop notifications, amount of time to show the notification on the desktop, number of desktops or the workspaces. So 4 are the default workspaces or desktops. Then you can adjust the margins for the display. And there is this dock. So you can have the dock at the top left, top right, top left, right, bottom left, bottom right, and the floating dock. So by default it is at bottom and the orientation is horizontal. You can change the orientation also. Either you can have it vertical or horizontal. You can keep the dock above the windows. You can allow the dock to be above and below the windows, and you can keep the dock below the other windows. You can even hide the dock, and you can have a delay before hiding and delay before showing the dock. So we'll come to the themes later on. First, we'll have to manage the wallpaper because this blank screen doesn't look good. So what you have to do is you have to right click to open the menu. So this is the OpenBox menu. Here you can see all the applications that are available. This is all same applications that were available in the ISWM session. So first you have to go to the YAS software. I will tell you why. You will have to install a wallpaper manager. I will show you which wallpaper manager is to be installed. I have already installed it, but I will show you. So type nitrogen here. So I have already installed the nitrogen wallpaper manager. It is a background browser and setter for X Windows. It is written in C++ using the GTK toolkit. It can be used in 2 modes, browser and recall. And these are some features of the nitrogen. Go over to the nitrogen. So nitrogen right now won't show you any wallpapers because it doesn't have the access to the wallpaper folder. So for giving it access to the wallpaper folder, first what you have to do is you have to open the terminal. So I will open the XFC terminal. You have to type to input your sudo password. Okay, so you can type it again. Now you are logged in as a root or the su user or the super user. Now you have to type like this: nitrogen user share wallpaper. So this opens up the wallpaper folder, and here it will show you all the wallpapers that are available in the wallpaper folder. So you can choose any one and then you have to apply it. In other Linux distros, the wallpaper folder is directly available, so there are no user privileges that are required. So in that case, just tapping the nitrogen, even there is no need to even go to the terminal. The wallpapers will be shown here itself. But in OpenSUSE, the wallpaper folder access requires a root user login. So now you have to apply this, and the wallpaper comes up. Now you can go again to the nitrogen. Here you can change the screen. So if you have got multiple monitors, you can change the monitor on which the wallpaper can be shown. You can have the wallpaper scaled, center, tiled, zoomed or zoomed to fill the display, and you can set your preferences from here. And you can have a background color also. So if wallpaper is not there, then the background color will be displayed. So by default it is black. So now we will come to the themes. So the default theme is traditional. You can have artfish box. So what will happen is when you apply this theme, you can see here this menu will change the look. Then you can have this beer theme. It will change the menu look. You can have clear looks. Clear looks more like Windows. Then there is clear looks 3.4. It is again looks like very much like Windows. Then there is clear looks olive. The color, it changed the accent color. Then Mikachu is there. Natura is there. So it will just change the accent colors or the theme colors. Oinks is there. So Oinks is also looks very good. Oink Citrus is there. So this is also nice looking one. Then this orange or orange theme is there. System crash is there. Traditional is there, which is the default one. I will go with clear looks. I like this theme much more. I don't know, for some reason the dock is not visible. We will have to check out the configuration file for that. So in some later videos I will show you how to manage the configuration file of OpenBox and IceWN. So right now we will not go in that detail. Now let us open some applications so you will get a good idea. Let us open chess. Quickly open, maybe we can open the GIMP also. Let us see. The benefit of using a window manager is that the resource usage is very less, and resources can be diverted to the applications that are used. So the system will use less resources, and the resources can be diverted to the actual applications. So you can see here it is very light. You can even open many more applications at a time. So you can open LibreOffice. I will open many apps here. You can open Arc. The system won't hang for long because it is very lightweight. You can even open the YAS software again. You can see still the system is not hanging. Multiple applications, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 applications are there. We can even open more. Still the system won't hang. You can open, say, let us open something heavy. Graphics, let me check out. Yes, we can open Firefox also. Still the system won't hang. So with just 2 GB of RAM, 5 applications are working. There is no hanging. You can see here it is not hanging. Now it has started to hang a bit because just 2 GB of RAM is there, but still it could open 5 applications successfully without system getting slow or freezing. So that is the beauty of the Windows Manager, like OpenBox. Even IceWM is also very good. So this is it. There is nothing much to show because there is nothing, just the window decoration. Windows Manager is there. You can have some basic settings and that's it. All your focus is on your applications that open in the Windows. The system itself is very light and thin. So with this, I stop the video here. We will now check out some different operating system from the next video onwards, and we will continue with the OpenSUSE Leap 15.4 video series also. So we will check out some more desktop like Enlightenment is there pending, and if Mate, I think Mate we are not done, so we will check out the Enlightenment and Mate desktop in the coming videos for the OpenSUSE Leap 15.4. And meanwhile we will introduce some more operating systems in between, so you don't get bored with the same operating system series which goes on and on, because I am doing it in very detail. No other video channel on YouTube does such a detailed videos on Linux operating systems. See you, bye bye.